ID route also provides a faster response. The two-site updated Thai Red Cross IDRV regimen provides antibody response in 10 days, whereas intramuscular regimen takes 14 days.
In the two-site regimen or updated Thai Red Cross regimen, which is recommended by the Drug Control General of India, the vaccine is given in 2 sites on day 0, day 3, day 7 and on day 28.
ID technique has been widely used for BCG inoculation and for administering test doses.
Under sterile precaution, the vaccine is reconstituted. With 1 ml syringe, draw 0.1 ml of vaccine needed for one site and use another 1 ml syringe for the second site.
Insert the tip of the needle with bevel upwards, almost parallel to the skin surface, and slowly inject full volume of vaccine into the dermal layer of skin over the deltoid area, preferably an inch above the insertion of deltoid muscle.
If the needle is correctly placed inside the dermis, considerable resistance is felt while injecting the vaccine. A raised papule should begin to appear immediately, causing a pudy orange appearance. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite deltoid area with a separate syringe. If the vaccine is injected subcutaneously, papule is not seen. Then, repeat the injection with full dose intradermal vaccine at adjacent site.
Guidelines for the use of IDRV. Vaccines given by intradermal route should be approved and licensed by DCGI.
The vaccine package leaflet should include a statement indicating that the potency as well as immunogenicity and safety allow the safe use of vaccine for intradermal pre- and post-exposure prophylaxis.
Vaccines when given intradermally should raise a visible and palpable bleb in the skin.
Vaccine vials must be stored at 2 degree to 8 degrees centigrade after reconstitution. The total content of the reconstituted vial should be used within 8 hours.
In case of category 3 exposure, rabies immunoglobulin should be given along with IDRV.
Immunocompromised patients, even with category 2 exposures, should receive category 3 post-exposure prophylaxis. Here, the vaccine should be given by intramuscular route only.
Patients should be advised not to rub at the site of intradermal injection after administration of vaccine.
They should also be informed about common side effects, that is, itching and pain at the site of injection.
A full course of intramuscular vaccine cost around Rs 2,000, whereas a full course of ID regimen will cost only 1/5 of the amount. Moreover, the number of visits to the clinic is reduced to 4 instead of 5.
The indirect cost in terms of travel, wage loss and other incidental expenses to the victim are also less.
At the same time, the government will be able to support more number of victims with the resources available. As intradermal rabies vaccination is economical, effective, provides early immunity and is easy to administer, it is only ethical that we switch over to IDRV at the earliest. Realizing the importance of this, the government of Kerala has decided to implement IDRV and has taken progressive steps towards the implementation of the same.
A 2-day workshop on developing guidelines for the implementation of intradermal rabies vaccination in Kerala was organized in September 2008. The workshop was enriched by the presence of experts of national and international repute.
Guidelines put forward by the National Institute of Communicable Diseases in 2007 were the base document for formulating guidelines for the implementation of IDRV in Kerala. A core team of policymakers and practitioners from Kerala, led by the Honorable Health Minister, Srimati P.K. Srimati Teacher, visited the Institute of Preventive Medicine, Hyderabad, to get a hands-on experience.
On a pilot basis, the government has decided to start 8 model intradermal rabies vaccination clinics in Kerala.
The government has set a vision for rabies-free Kerala by 2015, and IDRV is seen as one of the main strategies in attaining this goal. Let us join hands for IDRV. Let's practice IDRV.